So I'm here with Gordon Rawling. He's Senior Director of Marketing for EMEA for Oracle. Gordon, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Here at the WebRTC Summit, why is this event important to Oracle?
Well, I think this domain subject in terms of the way in which service providers can offer an extra way of communicating to their customers, be they both consumer and enterprise, and enterprise actually is a really interesting bit. I think what we're trying to do really is engage with the service providers and understand how our technology and capabilities can help them make the most of that.
And what's Oracle's WebRTC strategy in a nutshell?
In a nutshell, I'm not sure it's possible, but I think that what we're trying to do here really is look at the way in which our software and hardware assets can go all the way from the edge of the network through to actually provide much more coherency, security, integrity to the kind of WebRTC service, but also actually go beyond that into the way it actually engages into a service provider's business, into the call center, and into the way they can offer services to their customers.
So the challenge for service providers, I guess, is to bridge the legacy business and this new web world, real-time world, I guess.
Well, I think it's bridge, but also join them in terms of it's just another communication capability that, as well as that, can be added into the mix of services that they offer for their customers. And I think that's the right way to talk about it. It's not either or. It's where does this fit and in connection to the other services that they have. And that's especially important, I think, if they want to exploit the enterprise industry. If I'm going to one of a banking client and trying to talk to them in terms of the communication services they need to make their business successful, this is a phenomenally powerful channel for connecting with their employees and their customers.
Yeah, so there's a huge amount of potential there. How much progress do you expect to see in 2014?
I think it's going to be a really interesting year to bed in the direction of travel here. I think the technology is starting to prove itself out, but what we've got to work out is, well, what's the actual way in which this connects to a service that people want to pay for or have as part of a service package.
So it's the business model that's the challenge as much as anything.
I think so, actually. The technology obviously has challenges, and certainly we have a role within that, but we've actually got to work out, well, what's the reason for all this technology and how can it actually help us be more successful as an industry.
Okay, well, hopefully this event will help with that. Thank you, Gordon.
Thank you.